Hi everybody. So can you see the hair everywhere? Let's talk about this, the most biggest issue today. So you will find a lot of remedies which is been saying that day 1 to day 8 it's impossible. And how about these kind of remedies? So according to them, they're saying that day 45 you will have this length. Oh my god, I wish we have this magical wand which we just do and we can have it. So I am from Singapore, and common concern what we always think is weather, water, stress and lifestyle. So today we're gonna talk about all of this, that what is the main cause or what is bothering us so much. So guys, watch the whole video because I have put up almost everything which a person who living in Singapore or anywhere who facing a lot of hair issue. Hair loss issue is commonly problematic for men and women same time, and same issues. Is just the length is more or less or growth is more or less, but everybody is mainly looking forward for better appearance of hair, at least the look which is frontal. So this is the same issue both genders are facing. So in this video I will talk mainly for the hair structure and scalp skin, that how it is get infected and what are triggers, where this sebum, dandruff, oil, where it produces, and what is the benefit of microscopic and other things which will highlight that what is the best we can do for it. So we have scalp maintenance details here, that how you can prevent to get bad infections which is underneath the surface because you don't know about it. So we will talk about all of these issues here. Information provided in this clip from US Trichology Institution and Nano Growth Clinic Singapore, and based on 11 years plus experience working in Singapore with the clients.
Hi everybody, this is me Zulekha from my hair growth clinic Zulu Style Singapore, and this is my certificates and all those celebrities which we have served proudly. So why I today here to talk about hair loss and how we can prevent it by doing certain small things and without being panicked and fearful and losing hopes. So some small basic things I want to share today. Most important thing I want you guys to find out for you to stop your hair fall is the scalp skin condition. So what happen is, we always talk about hair. We show the hair in the hands that is dropping in the washrooms, is dropping on the pillow, is dropping on the everywhere. So we only talking about the hair which is already dropping. So how this thing works, can you see here? So this hair we are always talking about. So what we have to do is, we have to find out where is this dropping and why is this dropping. So to see the surface of your skin, scalp skin, you need to go through the microscopic, because with the eyes we can never see what's happening there. For the skin we can see the pimple is there, outbreak is there, it's dry, it's oily, but for the scalp we can barely go into the second layer. We always see the dandruff or oil, which is a common understanding that this hair get dandruff or this hair gets oily. But why they are falling off? So the secretion, can you see this diagram? So it will share that how this sebaceous gland is continuously producing some kind of buildups, so which is coming here. So this surface is getting infected. So how much infected our scalp is, through the microscopic we can find out. So when we put the microscopic on our head, it will tell very clearly that what's going on our scalp skin. So once we know what's going on our scalp skin, we can better understand it, we can ask better advices, and we can search proper advices. We don't have to take blind risk, we do not have to depend on somebody's just suggestions, because we will know what's going on my scalp. So whenever you posting or asking anybody, make sure you have done analysis, because once you do analyzing, you check already what is your skin surface is showing in the microscopic. Sometimes what happens is scalp is good, but underneath, like a nerve system or stress level is not good to dropping it, the cause of it. So once you will know if there is going on the surface, then you have to find product which can cleanse it, like cleansing product. So there is some kind of process is involved. So for us, we are using clinical system, which is Hydrojet machine. It will cleanse very clearly. Then we give recommended product to keep cleansing it at home base. So that's how it works. If you like the system, they are providing you good cleansing with the kind of product to make it clean, go for it. That is a good investment when you do on your head, because it will keep you for a long run. It will give you a good results and betterment on it. Instead of a dirty scalp, you keep on putting the oils, you keep on putting the remedies like onion juices and some kind of yogurt, bananas, and all those things. To say is, you have to stop your hair fall, you have to find out your skin condition. So then you go and ask anybody else that what can I do for this. So that's my small advice for everybody. Please do not go and write I am having a hair fall. You can ask, I have a very oily scalp skin, my scalp is very oily, can you please suggest me something? Because you have seen already. Don't just assume that because I touch it's oily, so it is oily. No, it can be sebaceous, it can be surface can be infected. So you have to go and search from a proper resources where you can see from your own eyes that what's going on your scalp. Thanks for watching. Bye.